So I put my dreads in like 2 nights ago, and they're really fluffy. They've gotten fluffy throughout the day. So right now we are going to draw. She's gonna draw something. I don't know what she's doing, but I did this. I did this the other day. I haven't finished it yet. What I'm gonna do is gonna black it out with this fabric paint. This fabric paint gives it like a matte feel and look, and it goes a long way. So yeah, these are crazy. Look, it's working now. Okay.
Yay.
The camera wasn't working for a minute. So we're cleaning. We've been cleaning for like, I don't know how long.
Like an hour.
No, longer than an hour. We're listening to music, and there's obviously an ad right here.
Okay, we'll call you back as soon as music is on.
Call.
So, well,
The video.
so same thing. Well,
Yeah.
bye.
So we're watching a movie, and she has to go home soon. She eating.
But I'm making myself a home, and so if you want to go to her house, it's gonna be pretty good.
because we have a good house or something.
They will have a big
We're watching
TV.
Oculus, scary movie. But
The chairs are flying.
we were supposed to get a thunderstorm today, but the dry line came
girl.
in, and so it's not gonna be here.
Master door.
That's loud. Changed my shirt again because it was getting hot. But I'm watching Portlandia because it's my favorite show. It has been. And the song on here, it's actually like I have that as my ringtone. And episode 2 where
Put a bird on it.
That's my notification sound for my phone. So that's cool. That's so funny. I love the guy. What's his name? I forgot his name, but he has the gauges and the beard and he always wears the black hat. It's funny. He's right here. It's just so funny. What are you doing? What are you looking at? Cars?
No, it's just on Craigslist.
Ooh, I want that.
That?
No, I'm joking. I don't want
You
that.
don't need that.
I don't want it. Ew, that's ugly.
I was just checking in comparison to Pepall stuff. What are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Why are you recording?
Because I can. I'm recording today. I'm going to play a game, and I am going to be on Periscope. So, for the people who are on Periscope and watching my Periscope, this is the time when I was on Periscope. So yeah, and it's like 6 o'clock now. So yeah, I'm gonna go on Periscope and play a game, and that's it for. So I guess we are going somewhere, but it's to the store. That's boring. We're going to H-E-B. I did my makeup, my hair, and actually straightened these. And y'all didn't see that. So yeah. That's what are we getting there? Huh? Chocolate almond milk. Chocolate almond milk. Okay, chocolate almond milk.
Probably junk.
Junk.
Not junk. Not junk.
That's bad. Get out of the way. All of y'all. All of them needs to get out of the way. Waiting. You know what? I at least try to move away from the front of cars because I think it's very respectful rather than just walking super slow. So we just got back from the store maybe 20 minutes ago. I just got done with a level of Call of Duty, and I'm honestly at level 41. Right now I'm eating watermelon and just playing a game of Me Cookies. So yeah, I was periscoping, but that just kind of got boring because nobody got on it. This is basically my dinner because I had chicken at 5, so this is me dinner basically. So I'm checking out videos from Exploring with Josh, and I was looking at his Snapchat, and him and his friends were going somewhere, but he said the information was classified. And I was just on YouTube, and I see 8 hours ago he said, "Today's the day. Let's watch it." It's almost 8 minutes long. I don't know what it is. Maybe they're exploring somewhere, but I doubt it. Hold on, let me pause this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it up, and I'm gonna play it. Let's see what this
It
is.
is now Saturday, May 21st at 10 a.m. We're actually a bit late. Today's the day that we actually start our road trip, the United States.
Oh, they start their road trip.
We're doing the whole United States, and we have.
I ate all my watermelon. I was done with that video, exploring with Josh video, and I'm so excited because he's gonna be spending 60 days throughout the USA, and he's gonna be recording a lot. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to see all the abandoned places he goes to, and yeah.